Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus a Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the small SLG that I picked up from the Bellagio Chanel in Las Vegas. I was lucky enough to be there a few days for work and stayed a couple more days just for pleasure. My husband joined me for a few days up there and my oldest son, and we had a very, very nice time. Went to a lot of good restaurants and, of course, shopped just a little bit. I've already done the unboxing. I'll go ahead and put the clip up here, but I did want to tell you, look at the new Camellia. It is, of course, looks the same as the others, but the material of the Camellia is much stiffer. It's kind of made from a thick paper, and I'm sorry, I think the light is not allowing you to really see the details, but it is made of a thick stock material. Thought that was interesting. Okay, enough about the flower. Let's get into it. Again, this is from the 21K collection, and to be quite frank, I ran into all of the Chanel boutiques that I could before the launch of 21K. I basically asked, do you have iridescent? I was basically told no, everything is sold out, it's already pre-ordered, it's already whatever, and I was like, okay, great. Good friend Lala, and I'll link her channel down below. She referred me to her SA at the Chanel and the Bellagio, and don't look at my nails. I just kind of ripped off all of the gel, so they are not looking real good. I ran in there, I asked her, hey, can you get me an iridescent card holder? At this point, I didn't even care what color it was in. And she said, oh, okay, I actually have one. You need to go ahead and prepay it. I did, and then the next day I was there at 10 o'clock in the morning to pick it up, and this is what I got. Here it is. The beautiful, beautiful iridescent card holder with the rainbow hardware. So let me take this felt off and give you a better look at it close up. As you can see, it reads green, purple, and a little silver. The back is really, really pretty because it really shows off that purple, which is my favorite. And it really changes with the light. Very nice. Let me give you a close-up of the rainbow right there. Okay, again, this is from the 21K collection. Here is the information. And another thing I thought was quite interesting is the tag says RF down here, which led me to believe that it would not have the Chanel card. However, I'm going to give you a look inside, and as you can see, it's very, very silvery inside. This is made in Italy. But guess what? It has a card. So, I don't know what that means, but Series 31. And the other funny part is that inside here, along with the tag and just all the other little papers they put inside, I found this, which obviously does not belong to the card holder. $6,000, gray. So that was pretty funny. All right, let's go back to this real beauty. Let me take all this out. And this is the interior, regular, just like every other card case for Chanel. This is my favorite. I love this card case. I think these are so convenient. And so yeah, here it is. give you a better look. And I just grabbed a couple of the others that I have to just show you. They're really the same size. That one was in Caviar, and this one is in Lambskin. And this one, I think it's Goat Skin, but I'm not sure. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. I'm not real sure. But this is the little baby I picked up from Chanel in Las Vegas. Adorable. I really, really wanted to get my hands on an iridescent piece and was so excited to be able to get this one. So very, very happy. Love it. Okay, that's it. Quick unboxing. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down below. If you know if this is goat skin or something else, let me know. It doesn't, I think it's goat skin. Could be lambskin. I'm not quite sure. And I love that rainbow hardware. So pretty. Anyhow, that's it. Have a great day, my friends, and I will see you soon. Bye.